loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So here we are, and we are going to be using this beautiful off the hook loopy faux fur yarn to make a wreath. I'm going to be starting off with a 18-inch wreath form here from Dollar Tree, and all I'm going to do is glue the faux fur to the wreath on the outer and then wrap it around this wreath form. At first I thought I was going to weave it in and out, but I like it better wrapped around the wreath form. As you can see, I have a smaller piece of that skein that I had cut off to test to see how I wanted to do it. I want it to be nice and fluffy, and all we're going to do is go around the wreath form completely and cover this entire thing. I fluff it as I go just a little, but it's as simple as just wrapping it around and gluing it down. So here's what it looks like with one full skein. I'm just fluffing it up. These were on clearance at Joann Fabrics for $3 a skein, and I end up using about 1 2/3 of a skein all together. Okay, now that we have this entire wreath form covered, I'm just fluffing it up and making sure that you can't see any of the green through it. And then we are going to start decorating it. I picked up these kind of white colored leaves at Joann's, and they were $7.99, 40% off. And I also ended up getting these beautiful corals and kind of pinky red and orange colored ones, again 40% off. And both of these I used a 25% off coupon because it's friends and family at Joann's today and tomorrow. I also used some of these green leaves that I already had in my stash, and I'm going to be using some of these wheat stems that came from Dollar Tree. And then I found this beautiful flower on clearance at Joann's at the same time. I couldn't use my 25% off coupon for that one, but we are going to be adding that to this wreath as well. So now I'm just cutting off several of the leaves in different colors and figuring out where I'm going to put them. You guys know me, I'm extra. I'm going to put a whole bunch on the side of this wreath. And I think I am going to forgo putting on a bow. I know, you guys are shocked. I was a little shocked, but I think it's just beautiful without the bow. So let me just be quiet and finish decorating for you guys. Okay, here I'm adding all of the wreath, and I know you can't really see every time I'm putting glue on the stems, but I want you guys to know that everything that I'm placing on here, I am gluing and sticking it into the faux fur and underneath the leaves. And here is my final project, and I love how it turned out. This is my version of a neutral colored fall wreath, and to me it also has sort of a bohemian feel. As you can see, it does not even need a bow, which is shocking for me, I know. I have it hanging here inside my front door on a command strip hook, so it is hanging directly from the frame. You do not need any kind of hanger on it if you're going to hang it like that. Also, if you get to Joann Fabrics today, the 2nd, or tomorrow, the 3rd of October, you can get 25% off of all of their fall items extra if you are a part of their rewards program. So that is it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you are not a subscriber here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a subscriber, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way it's spelled here, and I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.